So hi guys, myself Sahil, and today I'm going to tell you how deep learning is creating magic in our life. So guys, deep learning is a subset of machine learning which basically focuses on the image processing, object detection and natural language processing. So basically deep learning focuses on the complex data which is sometimes diverse, unstructured as well. uh, like we can't have that much computer power to load that data. So guys, in the deep learning algorithms, it basically takes images as directly from the dataset and help us to our what we want to require. So today I'm going to tell you that deep learning has created that much relax to us that if we I provide audio to the machine, it can give me the output like which genre it is having. Like if I am providing a genre with metal, that I know, but if I want to know that is that machine is giving me a right option or not, so it gives me a right because it has a that much level of algorithm that it will give always a right option. That's only depends on the data set. So music genre classification is a one part which basically tells us that how which genre it is, like which genre the audio is having. So now the machine learning and deep learning reach to that part that it can also help us to create generate a music which is very important for an artist also. So if I am sitting in some remote area where I don't have any uh, equipments with me, like to create a music, so this instrument which I'm going to tell you is what is like ancient super. So guys, let's see. it it's a very good for the artist side, like. So guys, in this what they have done is like they have taken a data set and encode it where they use like arrays, numpy's array, and read the data, classifies the instrument the audio is having, and then create a graph type structure where you can see that this area is basically uh, drum bass, piano, and more instruments. So guys, if I came to this area, this basically focus on the pianos. But if I came to this area, it is basically the sound which having two or more than two instruments like flute, piano, drum. So it creates sound create with help of two or more instruments. So it is a very good for the artist also to create musics like this. So basically what the algorithm they are using is like CNN, where which focuses on the like they have classifies the basic different instruments, and then they create this type of instrument which basically consists of all the sounds from different instruments. So which is a good for the artist to create this type of sounds. So the second most important thing is that this instrument basically focuses on the artist, the creativity that artist is having, like it helps to enhance the creativity of the artist. So if this is a very good, if I go to their website, and this is the instrument they have created. using the very big networks, neural networks and algorithms. So it tells that ongoing experiment in the research project within Google. This is a Google project, and basically how it works is like this. This is interpolating features, reconstructing sound again, and outputting the sound. So this is the basically what they are talking about, these sounds. So first they have getting the input from the audio, encode it, learn the features and interpolation, and then decode and get the output. So if I'm talking about the music classification, there we have create a spectrogram. Then we have to makes the five feature extraction. So here they are, I don't know how many features they are extracting, but this is a like a good project to do. So yes, this is what this algorithm, yeah, this is the shape they create. And if I talk about that how this application does not fit from my view point of view is that artist our brain is having a very big neurals networks, like connecting to from brain to our senses. So if I am having a that much of sound which I want to create, I don't think so that this machine could help me to create that sound which I am thinking of. Like if this is a connected to, I guess, cluster thing, that this is what you have in your hand, not to the next level, which is basically the scientists are focusing on. So I think this instrument is good for the beginners, but for the artists which are preparing their musics, like uh, taking a lot of time to spend there all days and nights, but then they have created that sound, is very require a very a good knowledge about that instrument. So if I'm talking about this, this is what is the basic for the beginners only. Like if I'm enjoying the music, then I have to use this. But for the artist, they have to require a great knowledge about the instruments, like how this is working, the sound fit with this sound or not. But this is something that I have in my pocket only. That means that I have to use this sound only. You understand? So, yeah, thank you for watching.